Ngayon, mag-ano na tayo, no? Ang vlog natin ngayon is yung paano ninyo i-upload yung documents na hinihingi ng IRCC just in case, no, na PR na kayo. Tapos may kulang or lacking na documents, tapos hihingian kayo. Or kaya may gaps yung document niyo. So sa email, makatanggap kayo ng parang ganito, no? Please only submit the requested information and documents via one of the following methods. Okay, so pwedeng number 1 or number 2 or number 3. Kung hindi daw kayo maka-upload ng document, pwede isend niyo by mail or courier. Step 3. So magbayad kayo dyan. Okay, so dito tayo sa step 2. Click mo lang yung link. Yan. So ito yung web form. Submitting an inquiry. Okay? So, ang i-click, marami ditong 5 option. I-click tong update or ask about your application. Click mo yan and then merong subcategory, no? Check your application, change or update your contact information, add, change or cancel representative, add a document to your application, ask for urgent processing, withdraw or cancel your PR application. Dito siya. Okay, schedule of change the date or time of your appointment, interview or something. Okay, so dito tayo sa add a document to your application. Continue to form and then update or ask about your application, add a document to your application. So who are you? Sabihin mo, I am the principal applicant. Continue to form. Tell us about your principal applicant. So first name, lagay mo yung name mo. Okay, tapos takpan ko na lang to, edit ko na sa video para di makita, no? By checking this box, I confirm that there is no first name. Kung wala kang first name, i-check mo tong box, okay? Tapos ang niya, ang apelyido niya, ganyan. Okay? Also known as family name or surname. Okay? So, ang lagay mo dito is yung nasa passport mo, no? First name also known as given name. So, GC Calostre. Okay. And then, Develia, yung last name, apelyido. Use this format. So, yung email, gmail, yeah, GC 2025 at mail at yahoo.com. Okay. Alright. So, kopyahin lang natin kasi same lang naman siya. Tapos i-paste natin. Ayaw, di pwede. Okay, nakalagay kasi dito, you cannot copy and paste it. Make sure your email is the same above. Okay, so type talaga kasi ayaw nila ng tamad na aplikante dito sa Canada. Kaya talaga natin, i-type talaga natin gc25 at yahoo.mail.com. Okay, tapos yung date of birth niya, pinanganak siya noong 1985. Okay, buwan ng Disyembre. Tapos pizza 28. Country or territory of birth, bansa kung saan siya isinilang. So ito yung Philippines. Fill only one of these 3 fields. So nakalagay dito, mamili ka lang daw sa 3. Isa of these 3 fields. So may nakalagay dito, what did you apply, what is your application number, or what is your unique client identifier number. Okay, so fill in only one of these 3 fields. Okay, so what is your application number? So go back to your email and then makakita ka dito ng something like this. Ito yung number mo. Okay, so application yan. Okay, what did you apply for? Permanent resident. What application did you submit? That's a provincial nominee program ka. Okay, is your application being processed by an office outside Canada? No, kasi sa Nova Scotia man yun. So no. What is your unique client identifier. So, your UCI or passport number, okay? So, dito din makikita mo, this is your number. Okay? Oops. Ayan siya. Copy mo lang. Okay. Okay, did we ask to add the documents to your application? Oh, I have to support my, I'm not sure, no? Did we ask to add the documents to your application? No, I want to add the documents to support my complete, I think. Yes ba? You asked me to add a document. To add the documents. Okay. Provide an updated. Okay, this is one. Ay. Okay. Kasi kung no, I want to add the documents to support. Yes tama, yes. Nag-ano sila, nag-ask sila na i-update. Explain in the text box below what documents are and why you are adding them. So, ang documents na to is called tawag nito ay itong schedule A form. Ito yung ang tanong nila kasi explain in the text box below what documents are. So the documents is control P mo lang and then shift plus enter pababa yung ano. The document is schedule background, okay, and then provide I want to provide information regarding the following personal history gap to ensure. So, pag-uwi nyo, huwag yung copy-paste, baka pagbasa nila wala na. To ensure I do not leave any gaps in time. Okay? So, yan yung nakalagay dito. Okay? And then, so, instead na, please ensure, I ensure that each section of schedule is updated. Okay? So, easy peasy. Kailangan nyo lang ng pagkaintindi. Okay? Kasi nakalagay mo dito, what documents are and why you are adding them to your application. You don't need to repeat any of the information you include in the fields above. Okay? So, the documents is scheduled A background declaration form 569. I want to provide information regarding the following personal history gap to ensure I do not leave any gaps in time. Tapos yung date. And then, I ensure that each section of Schedule A is up to date or updated. Okay? So, ganyan lang. Tapos, huwag mong kalimutan na mag-thanks. Thank you. Okay. Space pa isa. Okay. So, mabasa nila yun, no? Alright. So, nakalagay dito. We accept files in formats PDF, JPG, Doc, or Microsoft document, no? Microsoft Word. So, ang file is 3.5 MB. The maximum file for each file is 2 MB. If a file is bigger than 2 MB, you need to reduce the size of your file. If you upload more than one file, the total maximum is 3 MB. So, bawat file is 2 MB lang siya dapat. Okay? And choose file. Kung yung choose file, alin dito. So, nakalagay upload. Okay? So, lumabas na dito. Total size is 1 point. So, pwede na siya. So, wala nang error. And then, by providing your email address, you're consenting IRC use of the contact information provided above for the sole purposes of responding to your feedback. Okay? So, I have read Understand the above disclaimer. Review request. Okay, review request. The form could have because one error found. The number must be between. Ang number must between the ito. So, wala tong dash dapat pala. Tanggalin mo tong dash kasi nag-error siya. Ito daw na side. Okay? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ito. Ayan, okay. Okay na siya. Review request. Ayan. Okay, title bit to best end is considered protected B. Okay na yan. Okay, so attachment isa lang. And then want to provide information regarding the following personal to ensure I do not leave the gaps in time. And ensure that it's okay. Submit your request. Hopefully masabit na siya para wala na tayong problema. Okay? So we receive your request. Thank you for submitting your request. We'll get back to you as soon as possible with an answer or to get more information about your situation. So, ganun lang siya magpahabol ng document if may hihingiin yung IRCC sa inyo. Okay? So, thanks for watching and dito na nagtapos yung vlog natin.